Trucks have long been a symbol of strength, utility, and reliability, but not all of them have lived up to these expectations. In this video, we're diving into the world of automotive disappointments as we uncover the top 10 worst trucks of all time. These vehicles, despite their rugged appearances and promising specs, have earned a notorious reputation for their flaws. Let's explore the details behind these infamous trucks and see why they failed to deliver on their promises. Starting our list is the 2010 Nissan Frontier. While not the worst truck ever made, it's earned its place on this list due to its frequent transmission issues, engine failures, and suspension problems. The 2010 Frontier came with a reputation for being affordable and versatile, but as owners discovered, these strengths were overshadowed by persistent mechanical issues. Transmission problems were often reported within just a few years of ownership, leading to costly repairs. The suspension issues, while less common, resulted in uneven handling and reduced reliability. For a truck that aimed to balance affordability with capability, these mechanical issues tarnished its reputation and left many buyers disappointed. Next up is the 2009 Chevrolet Colorado, a truck that was marketed as a compact, reliable workhorse but ended up disappointing many of its owners. Engine misfires were a common problem, causing rough idling, poor performance, and even stalling. Despite several repair attempts, many owners continued to experience these issues, leading to frustration and uncertainty. Transmission failures were another major concern, often requiring expensive overhauls. These costly repairs made owners regret their decision to buy the truck, as the transmission problems were both persistent and disruptive. Additionally, the electrical system faced frequent malfunctions, with issues like flickering lights, faulty power windows, and malfunctioning dashboard indicators. While some drivers managed to avoid these problems, too many others faced expensive and frequent repairs that undermined the truck's initial appeal. As a result, the 2009 Chevrolet Colorado became a gamble for those relying on it for daily use, as its reliability was often questionable. The 2008 Ford F-250 Super Duty was designed to be a heavy-duty powerhouse, capable of handling the toughest tasks with ease. However, for many owners, it quickly became a source of frustration due to a series of serious mechanical issues. Transmission problems were a frequent complaint, with many drivers experiencing sudden failures that left them stranded and facing expensive repairs. Given the high expectations attached to the Super Duty name, these issues were particularly disappointing, as the truck was marketed as a reliable workhorse for those who needed performance and dependability. Engine failures were another major issue that plagued the 2008 F-250. Many owners reported problems with the fuel injection system and turbochargers, which severely affected the truck's performance and resulted in significant downtime for repairs. These mechanical failures were not only costly, but also hindered the truck's ability to perform at the level expected from such a high-end heavy-duty vehicle. Electrical malfunctions added to the growing list of frustrations. Flickering lights, failing sensors, and unreliable starting mechanisms left owners with even more problems to contend with. These issues, combined with the high price tag of the Super Duty, made the 2008 model a major letdown for many loyal Ford customers who had come to expect much more from the brand. The 2006 Toyota Tundra also finds its place on our list. The 2006 Toyota Tundra, a truck typically associated with reliability, also made its way onto the list of disappointing vehicles. Despite Toyota's reputation for building durable, long-lasting trucks, the 2006 Tundra was plagued by a number of serious issues that left owners questioning its quality. One of the most significant problems was frame rust, which raised concerns about the truck's safety and long-term durability. Some owners reported needing to replace the entire frame, a costly and time-consuming repair that undermined the Tundra's reputation for toughness. Transmission issues also affected the 2006 Tundra, with many drivers experiencing slipping gears and delayed shifting, which made the driving experience less than ideal. Electrical problems such as malfunctioning air conditioning units and faulty wiring added to the list of complaints. These issues, especially considering Toyota's reputation for building reliable trucks, were particularly disappointing. The 2006 Tundra serves as a reminder that even the most trusted brands can experience quality lapses, and that no truck is immune to the occasional off year. Both the 2008 Ford F-250 Super Duty and the 2006 Toyota Tundra highlight the importance of consistent quality and reliability in heavy-duty vehicles. While both brands have a long history of producing durable trucks, these models fell short of expectations, leaving owners with costly repairs and a diminished sense of trust in their vehicles. The 2007 Dodge Ram 2500 stands out as another truck that left its owners frustrated with a range of mechanical and performance issues. Diesel engine problems were a frequent complaint, often caused by injector failures and defects in the exhaust system. These issues not only reduced fuel efficiency, but also led to recurring breakdowns, making the truck unreliable for many users. Transmission failures were another source of frustration, leaving drivers with hefty repair bills and diminished confidence in the vehicle's capabilities. Suspension problems further compounded the truck's shortcomings, creating a rough and unstable ride that was particularly inconvenient for those using it for long-distance travel or heavy-duty tasks. For owners who depended on the Ram 2500 for work or towing, these frequent maintenance issues made the truck a costly and disappointing choice. The 2005 GMC Sierra 1500 failed to live up to its reputation as a versatile and reliable truck. Many owners experienced frequent issues with engine misfires, transmission problems, and electrical malfunctions, which led to significant disappointment and regret. Engine misfires were often caused by faulty ignition coils and fuel delivery systems, resulting in inconsistent performance, rough idling, and reduced power. Transmission problems such as slipping and overheating further undermined the truck's reliability, making it less suitable for demanding tasks or heavy use. Electrical issues were also common, with erratic dashboard displays and unresponsive power accessories adding to the frustration. For those who had trusted the GMC brand for dependable performance, these ongoing problems were disheartening. The Sierra 1500's mechanical flaws made it a regrettable investment for many, tarnishing its reputation as a reliable and durable truck. The 2004 Nissan Titan earned a reputation as one of the most problematic trucks of its time. While its specs looked promising on paper, the reality for many owners was far less impressive. Engine failures were a major issue, often linked to poor oil circulation and overheating. These problems led to costly engine replacements, creating a significant financial burden for owners who expected more from the vehicle. Transmission issues, including delayed shifting and complete failures, further damaged the truck's reliability and usability, making it difficult to depend on for daily driving or heavy-duty tasks. The suspension system was another weak point, with many drivers reporting a rough and uncomfortable ride that diminished the overall driving experience. These issues made the Titan less practical for everyday use and long-term reliability, especially for those who relied on it for work. For owners who hoped the Titan would deliver on its promise of dependable performance, the reality was a major letdown. The frequent and expensive repairs turned this model into a regrettable investment for many, cementing its reputation as one of the least reliable trucks of its era. The 2003 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 proved to be a disappointment for many owners, with recurring problems that tarnished its reputation as a tough and reliable truck. Transmission failures were a particularly common issue, often occurring at surprisingly low mileage. These failures left owners facing costly repairs or full replacements, a major frustration for those who relied on the Silverado for heavy-duty work or daily driving. Brake problems added another layer of dissatisfaction. Premature wear and inconsistent performance raised serious safety concerns, making drivers hesitant to trust the truck in demanding situations. For a vehicle marketed as capable and dependable, these issues were unacceptable and undermined its appeal. Electrical malfunctions further compounded the truck's reputation for unreliability. Owners frequently reported failing headlights and malfunctioning sensors, creating additional inconvenience and expense. These persistent problems left many Silverado owners feeling let down as they faced one repair after another, often with significant financial and emotional costs. Despite the Silverado's strong brand recognition and a history of robust performance in other years, the 2003 model failed to meet expectations. It became a reminder that even established names can produce vehicles that struggle to deliver on their promises. For many, this truck was a frustrating and costly experience, falling short of the reliability they had hoped for. The 2002 Ford F-150 marked a disappointing chapter in the legacy of a truck line renowned for its reliability and performance. Unfortunately, this model left many owners frustrated with its array of mechanical and electrical problems. Engine misfires were a common complaint, often caused by issues with spark plugs in the fuel system. These problems led to rough engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and a general sense of unreliability. Many owners found themselves dealing with frequent repairs that undermined the truck's purpose as a dependable workhorse. Adding to the dissatisfaction, transmission failures were a prevalent issue in the 2002 F-150. Owners reported sudden breakdowns that necessitated costly repairs or complete replacements. Such failures were particularly disappointing for a truck marketed as durable and capable of handling tough tasks. Electrical malfunctions compounded the problem, with complaints about faulty gauges, unresponsive controls, and other issues that made the truck less practical and trustworthy. For a vehicle as iconic as the F-150, this model was a significant letdown. It failed to live up to the expectations of owners who had trusted the brand to deliver consistent performance. The 2002 F-150 remains a blemish on an otherwise impressive track record, leaving a sour taste for those who had hoped for reliability and efficiency. Finally, at the top of our list is the 2001 Dodge Ram 1500. which has earned infamy as one of the worst trucks ever made, burdening owners with an array of severe issues that made it a nightmare to own. Transmission problems were perhaps the most notorious, with many trucks suffering from complete failures that required expensive rebuilds or replacements. These issues left owners regretting their purchase and questioning the truck's design and quality. Suspension failures added to the frustration, making the truck handle poorly and delivering a rough and uncomfortable ride. Many owners found the truck difficult to use for its intended purpose, further compounding their disappointment. The electrical system was another major source of headaches, with frequent battery drains and malfunctioning components causing ongoing trouble. For those who owned the 2001 Dodge Ram 1500, it became a costly and regrettable experience. The truck's legacy has become a cautionary tale, warning potential buyers to thoroughly research any vehicle before committing to a purchase. Its widespread problems and poor reputation have cemented its place as one of the most frustrating trucks in automotive history. Both the 2002 Ford F-150 and the 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 stand as reminders that even trusted brands can produce vehicles that fall far short of expectations. For many owners, these models represent costly lessons in the importance of careful consideration when choosing a vehicle. Now, before we wrap up, let's reflect on what these trucks teach us. Reliability and durability are crucial for any vehicle, but they're especially important for trucks, which are often used for demanding tasks. These trucks fell short, causing headaches and financial strain for their owners. They serve as a reminder to thoroughly research and consider potential issues before investing in a vehicle. Always look beyond the marketing hype and dig into real-world experiences to make an informed decision. We hope this video helped you gain insight into the pitfalls of these infamous trucks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hit that subscribe button.